My Dreams channel. In this video, it is a continuation of the previous video. We are discussing previous MSET 2021 MPC questions, MSET examination questions. So how the shortcut questions, how the easy questions should be solved, we are discussing. In the previous video, I have stressed to focus on few topics which gains you the marks very easily. Now let's have a look about that part. Now see, this question is from chapter heat. A chapter nunchi heat. Already morning inko previous video lo stress chesanu emani heat lo nunchi mottam 3 chapters cover aitayi manaki book lo nunchi. Topics will be 7. So మనకు minimum 4 to 7 questions వరకు పడొచ్చు. కాబట్టి ఇలా చూడండి, 2 rods whose lengths are L1 and L2 with heat conductivities K1 and K2 are placed end to end. ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుంచుకోండి, end to end means what? Series combination. You need to highlight in the question what? End to end. So what does it mean end to end? It is like series combination. The heat conductivity coefficient of a uniform rod of length L1 plus L2 whose conductivity is same as that of the system of the 2 rods. Like now they are stressing series combination. It is not a problem, directly formula. If you go to our previous video, you can directly land up with the answer. Like previous not question paper videos, topic wise videos loki velte manaki chudochu. Series formula enti L dash by K dash is equal to L1 by K1 plus L2 by K2. L dash ante enta manaki ippudu L1 plus L2 by K dash is equal to L1 by K1 plus L2 by K2. If you take the LCM, you land up with the answer. You need to find now what? K dash. Now for example, L1 plus L2 by K dash is equal to L1 K2 plus L2 K1 by K1 K2. Now K dash is equal to L1 plus L2 into K1 K2 by L1 K2 plus L2 K1. Now you can check which option it is now. So which option it is? Obviously it is the first option, directly series combination. If the same question is asked for the parallel combination, what will be the answer? K dash is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2 by A1 plus A2. This will be in case of parallel combination. This will be in case of series combination. Series combination and parallel combination. Sometimes usually దీని బేస్ చేసుకుని మనకి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అడుగుతారు వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చి, బట్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫార్ములాని అడిగారు. సిరీస్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ రాడ్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టాపిక్ కండక్షన్. కండక్షన్ లో మనకి బేసికల్ గా ఉండేది ఒకటే ఒక ఫార్ములా. విత్ దట్ సింగిల్ ఫార్ములా విల్ హ్యావ్ 7 to 8 applications. We can do all the problems based on that single formula. What is that formula? Q by T is equal to Ka into theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. This is rate of flow of heat or conduction. Rate of flow of heat అనొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఏమనొచ్చు దీన్ని conduction. Right, now we'll move to the next question. Next question, consider the charged cylindrical capacitor, magnitude of electric field E in its angular region. One students, this question is from the chapter capacitors. Actually we'll get usually 2 questions from the capacitor part. One will be the diagrammatic question with problem, one will be a theoretical question like this usually. So theoretical question will be easily solved. That will be graph question like this theory. Nothing, you can observe the question once again. Consider the charged cylindrical capacitor, magnitude of electric field in the angular region. What will be the answer? E will be inversely proportional to R. Logically, what is the formula for electric field intensity? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. But when it comes to angular region, it will be E is inversely proportional to R for the capacitor. So the option will be E is inversely proportional to R. Next, this question is again from heat part. So as per kinetic theory of gases, which of the following statements is or true? Kinetic theory of gases will discuss about the collision theory. So temperature of the gas is measure of average kinetic energy. But is it right? Right, because kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature in Kelvin scale. Kinetic energy of the gas molecules will depend only on kinetic energy అని చదువుకుంటాము. ఇది both physics and chemistry రెండిట్లలో చదువుకుంటాము. Kinetic postulates of kinetic theory. Next, temperature of the gas depends on the nature of the gas. Is it right? Already first statement is right, done. Next, temperature of the gas depends on nature of the gas. No. Heavier molecules have lower average speed. This is right. We know that more the weight. Why? Because what is the speed of gas formula? Root of 3RT by M. More the molecular weight, less will be the speed. So statement A and C are correct. This is a multi-choice question. Both A, B are correct, B, C are correct like this thing. Once again, we have seen the questions from heat. How simple they are. Directly theoretical questions. So you need to focus more on heat to gain the maximum marks. Right, in the next question, we'll see, consider a rocket is being fired. The kinetic energy of the rocket is increased by 16 times, whereas its total mass is reduced by half through the burning of the fuel. The factor by which its momentum increases. From which topic the question is? The topic is from kinetic energy antunnamo, momentum antunnamo, work, power, energy. Usually once a glance, from the work power energy topic, usually we expect two questions for the MSET. One will be from work power energy part, second question will be from collisions part. Both are very easy topics. We'll be able to do both the questions usually. What is the details? Kinetic energy 1 is equal to K. Kinetic energy 2 is equal to how many times they told in the question? Increased by 16 times, 16K. And mass M1 is equal to M. M2 is equal to half M by 2. Now they are asking momentum relation. Now what is seen on the board? Kinetic energy, mass and momentum. What is the relations between them? Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2M. Kinetic energy is equal to what? P square by 2M. Now K1 by K2 is equal to P1 by P2 whole square into M2 by M1. K1 by K2 is how much now? K by 16K. 1 by 16 is equal to P1 by P2 whole square into mass is M by 2 by M. So M gets cancelled. So 2 1s are 2 8s are. Now P1 by P2 whole square is equal to 1 by 8. Now P1 by P2 is equal to what now? 2 root 2. Why? Because root of 1 by 8 is what? 1 by 2 root 2. Now P2 is equal to 2 root 2P. P2 is equal to what now? P 2 root 2. So what's the option now? Second option. Once again have a look. P1 by P2 whole square is equal to 1 by 8 we got. So P1 by P2 is equal to root of 1 by 8. That will be 1 by 2 root 2. From the P2 is equal to 2 root 2P. This is from work power energy. So basically in chapter nunchi we may expect two questions. Now let's see the next question. Right. Now next question is an alternating current is given by I is equal to 2 sin omega t plus 6 cos omega t. RMS current is. So this question is from AC circuits. Usual ga ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ చూసుకున్నా నీట్ జేఈ మెయిన్స్ ఎంసెట్ ఏసీ సర్క్యూట్స్ ఇస్ ద లైక్ షార్టెస్ట్ చాప్టర్ బట్ విచ్ గివ్స్ యూ టూ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట షూర్గా. సో నౌ లెట్స్ హావ్ ఎ లుక్ అబౌట్ దిస్ థింగ్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ I is equal to 2 sin omega t plus 6 cos omega t. సో ఇది ఎట్లా చూడడానికి I1 I2. So I is equal to root of I1 square plus I2 square. Why it is? Because the angle between sin and cos is 90 degree. So the resultant current is what? Root of I1 square plus I2 square. Root of 2 square plus 6 square. Root of 4 plus 36. That is root of 40. That is 2 root 10. ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? 2 root 10. So please have a look here. ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ అయిపోలేదు. మనకు వచ్చింది ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు నాకు? సో వాట్ ఐ గాట్ దిస్ వాట్? పీక్ వాల్యూ. బట్ నేను అడిగేది ఏంటి? RMS వాల్యూ. IRMS is equal to I0 by root 2. IRMS is what? I0 by root 2. So that is 2 into like root 10 by root 2. ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు? root 2. 10 by 2 is what now? 5. So that is 2 root 5. Answer is what? 2 root 5. That is your first option. IRMS is equal to I0 by root 2. ఇక్కడ మనకి సార్ ఇది I వాల్యూ ఎలా తెలుసు? ఇక్కడ ఉంటే పీక్ వాల్యూ అర్థం. వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as peak value. Usually I 2 sin omega t unte this is the peak value, but it is mentioned in the form of two components, sin component, cos component. So the resultant will be root of I1 square plus I2 square. So this is the question from alternating current. Usual ga MSET point of view lo ee chapter nunchi regular ga vache question based on the concept of resonance. Resonance in case of LCR circuit. Once have a revision further. LCR circuit lo resonance gurinchi regular ga manalni question adugutaru. Now the next question is, this is from modern physics. Which of the following particle has the shortest de Broglie wavelength when it is having the same velocity or same energy? Lambda is equal to h by mv. Shortest means mass should be more. Lambda is inversely proportional to mass. They are asking the wavelength should be shortest, means mass should be more. Mass should be more. Among the four particles, mass is more for alpha particle. So the answer is alpha particle. Wavelength is inversely proportional to mass according to de Broglie's hypothesis. Now next question is, hydrogen atom in the ground state absorb amount of energy if orbital angular momentum of the electron is increased by h by 2 pi. So h by 2 pi increase అయినట్టు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినట్టు మనకి ఇది like let's have a look. Delta angular momentum MVR is equal to nh by 2 pi. Changed by how much orbit now? H and replaced by ఏముంది మనకి h by 2 pi. Means n is equal to 1. So it changed by 1 orbit. So first orbit energy ఎంత 13.6, second orbit 3.4, తర్వాత 1.51, తర్వాత 0.86. When it moved from first orbit to second orbit, why? Because only one orbit change. Energy difference is 13.6 minus 3.4. That is 10.2 electron volts. That is your third option. Everybody, this is the question from the modern physics chapter atoms. సో యూజువల్గా మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ నుంచి మనకి 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. డ్యూయల్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్, ఆటమ్స్, న్యూక్లియై. సో ఇందాక క్వశ్చన్ కూడా మనకి మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ ఇన్ ద యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అవర్ వీడియోస్ అబౌట్ ద మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ చాప్టర్. It will guide you very perfectly. Very easy chapter. So after heat, we need to focus more on modern physics for short answers. So in a nuclear reactor, main purpose of moderator. So moderator ఏం చేస్తుంది మనకి slows down. So there are 2 parts, moderator and control rods. Moderator అంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఈ ఫాస్ట్ మూవింగ్ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ని స్లో చేస్తుంది. బట్ ఎనర్జీ 2 MeV ఉంటుంది, 2 మెగా ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వోల్ట్. అక్కడ నుండి దానికి ఎక్కడికి తగ్గిస్తుంది 0.25. ఇంతకీ 0.25. The function of moderator is what now? Like, tell me. Function of moderator is to slow down the fast moving neutrons. It decreases the energy from 2 to 0.25 MeV. The function is. Next, last is if the temperature of semiconductor is increased. So temperature increase cheste semiconductors ki conduction will be more, resistance will be decreasing and conduction will be more. So more current will be flowing. This is opposite with respect to comparison to the resistors or conductors. In semiconductors, what happens when temperature is increased? Resistance value decreases, so conduction value will increase. ఏ ఆప్షన్ ఉందో చూసుకోండి. సెమీకండక్టర్స్ నుంచి కూడా మనకు మినిమం 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. యూజువల్లీ 1 will be logic gate, 1 will be theory questions. So in this way we need to choose the easy questions, easy topics choose చేసుకొని మనం 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయడంలో ఎగ్జామ్లో పెద్ద ఇష్యూనే కాదు. సో కాబట్టి to get a rank below 500 we need to choose easy topics. What's our specialties? In My Dreams Academy we provide coaching in such a way that 30 questions directly from the physics class notebook will be into the question paper without any doubt, even without changing options. We assure such perfectness in the subject. Why? Because most of the students will be having a drawback about the physics. Your rank will be determined by the physics itself. So please welcome to My Dreams Institute so that to have a bright future. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.